A $1 million excavator was abandoned on a desolate mountain and happened to be spotted by a bearded guy flying a helicopter. Although the exterior was covered in rust, he believed the engine still had some life left, so he immediately messaged his rescue team. Once the $70,000 payment hit the account, the Rescue Alliance rushed to the scene to save the discarded machine. While the bearded guy was still tinkering in the cab, the team arrived right on time. It's amazing how fast things move when the money is right. After a 2-minute checkup, they planned to fix it just enough so it could move on its own, starting with the starter motor and filling the hydraulic tank with a 1-to-1 oil blend. Due to years of weathering, they had to do some on-site maintenance before trying to ignite it. But then the bearded guy realized the swing motor was missing. This meant the excavator could only travel in a straight line, but that didn't matter much since they just needed to tow it away. When he finally tried to start it, the machine coughed out a huge cloud of white smoke, signaling its second spring of career life. The tricky part was safely moving a 60-ton machine down a steep slope at 2,500 meters altitude. The clever bearded guy decided to have a heavy truck lead the way to restrain it, while he drove a loader behind for support. As they started, the excavator kept belching thick smoke and stumbling because the rusty tracks kept jamming. Suddenly, it gained speed on a continuous downhill stretch and almost rear-ended the heavy truck, which made the team realize the danger and switch their formation. They let the excavator use its own momentum while the truck and loader pulled back from behind for double restraint. They thought the trouble was over, but halfway down, the truck's tow rope snapped, leaving the loader unable to hold the weight alone. The bearded guy, thinking about how he isn't even married yet, used his 30-year single-hand speed to successfully tame the machine. After securing the ropes again, they finally delivered the excavator to the foot of the mountain for repairs. So, what do you think of this rescue mission?